tiny paw hand. One found a feather and gave it a chase. Then there were three in the sandy place. Three little kittens building castles high. One saw a butterfly and waved goodbye. Two little kittens rolling all around. One got sleepy and lay on the ground.